Good day, everyone. My name is Coach Salisu, and with me on this call is Coach Bashir. In this session, we're going to show you how you can speak trade at your own comfort, at your own pace, wherever you are in the world. All you just need to do is to follow simple instruction, right? So what we do here is to use indicator to pick a trade. Indicator is just for beginners, someone that is just starting cryptocurrency trading, right? You need indicators to show you when to enter a trade and get out of the trade. But professional traders don't need the indicator to trade. This advanced, that's if you want to learn the advanced. This is for beginners. Okay, so sorry about that. Network took me out. I'm going to share my screen now. Bashir, notify me if you can see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen, sir.
All right, that's fine then. So we have 4 ways of picking a trade for beginners. And what I'm saying here is minimum number of coins is 3. Unless in a situation where you don't have the cash to trade 3 coins. If you have $100 alone, you use default setting. Default setting to trade. That was what Coach Mo taught you yesterday. You've learned how to set up a trade, save your settings depending on your capital yesterday. So today you're going to learn how to pick a trade. So now, minimum number of coins to trade is 3, unless in a situation where you don't have the capital to trade 3 coins. And if you have $100, you use default setting. Why? Because market might go against you. You'll be seeing subset. All right. So it's important to know that because of the fact that we're in bull season does not mean that market will just be going up. No, people must take profit. So that's why you need default settings, so that when they take profit, market dips, you'll be seeing subset, pending when the coin will completely sell off. So that being said, now, if you're trading 3 coins, you use 2 coins should be on default, 1 coin should be on bull. If you are trading 4 coins, 2 coins will be on default, 2 coins will be on bull. If you're trading 5 coins, 3 coins will be on default, 2 coins will be on bull. If you're trading 6 coins, 3 coins will be on default, 3 coins will be on bull. Bull tactics category 1 or 2. If you're trading 7 coins, 4 coins will be on default, 3 coins will be on bull. If you're trading 8 coins, 4 coins will be on default, 4 coins will be on bull. If you're trading 9 coins, 5 coins on default, 4 coins on bull tactics. If you're trading 10 coins, 5 coins on bull, 5 coins on default. Why? Because if you're using this one that is bull tactics because you want to maximize your profit, just in case market dips, you'll be seeing subsell here. You'll be seeing subsell on this coin, pending when the market will recover and completely sell off this one. That is the important thing. And apart from that, if you're using you based on RTTMI standard, maximum number of coins to trade is 10 if you have the cash. And the best magic to use is Magic 5. That is what you learned yesterday. If you have not watched our video yesterday, for yesterday's session, you can go on, get it on the group. Coach Mo shared it on the group. Get it on the group and make use of it. No matter even the almighty Shiba Inu, that made 25% of Americans to quit their job in 2021, right? Working class. It dipped by minus 32% on that same 2021 because some people took profits before it now blew up around October, November or so. So it's important you know that you should have default settings just in case market dips. You'll be seeing soft sell. So that being said, the first thing you learn after you activated your bot, you've set your robot depending on your capital. First thing you learn is trading without analysis. What is trading without analysis? You, Coach Jibril, Bashir, you share the 25 volatile coins across all the groups. The updated list of 25 volatile coins, I want to believe you have it, where we remove Acro to replace with Uni, and we remove WRX to replace with what? KE. Ensure you share it across all the groups, 25 volatile coins, please, Bashir. Now, just those coins, all you just need to do is, if you want to learn this strategy, look at anyone that has -3% and below. Maybe -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, like as long as it's below -3. Trade it and take profit should be between 1.5% and 3%. Don't go beyond this. Now let's go to the chart and look at it. Now if you go, I've already loaded the indicator just to show you guys. Now when you go, you create three watch lists. One for 25 volatile coin, right? The second one will be 41 coins. Coach Jibril Bashir, you should have the list, share it on the group. And the third one should contain all the Royal Q coins. You start with the 25 volatile coins. That's what you master. If you look at it, if I type the 25 volatile coins, I will go and tap on this 3 dot at the top. After I have deleted all the coins that are there, right? Now I can add these 25 coins for free. But if I want to go beyond 25, I will have to pay. I will have to pay if I want to go beyond 25. Right, so I'm going to use, you can use the free. Once you tap on the 3 dot at the top, as you can see, you tap on sort by, change percent. It will arrange it according to the one that have fallen in price. So the one that have fallen in price the most is sushi. Ignore this. You start with the second. Most of the time, coins that you see at the top here, based on these, are the ones that have dipping after it has pumped. So as I say, you should always know it. Start with the one, this Alpine. Once you see -3 here, trade it and take -3 and take 1.5 to 3%. Right? I mean, here you are seeing this place here, -3% and below, -3 or -4 or -5 or -6 or -7 or -8, as long as it's below -3. Trade it and enjoy your 1.5%. So you see, you don't need to know anything about indicator. That's your beginner. 1.5% will be your whole position take profit ratio to 3%. But if you see 5 and you have the capital, trade the 5 of them, as long as it's among the list of these coins. Do you guys get this? If you understand what I've just shared, type a yes on the chat. If you understand what I've just shared, type a yes on the chat. Type a yes on the chat. Let me see a rest on the chat. This is what's referred to as RQTMI change percent tactics. You don't need anything. There are 1,000 ways to pick coins on the crypto sports market. This is RQTMI standard. If you understand, the only thing you look at is just that percentage negativity, negative numbers that are in percent. Okay, I'll go over this again. I say after you have created TradingView account and you have logged in, you will see coins, forex coins, indices coins. Delete all of them, remove all of them, and add the 25 coins that you will see on the group you got this link from. Bashir, help me to share the 25 coins across all the groups. It's called TradingView. TradingView. It's called TradingView. TradingView. Create an account with TradingView. Free of charge, you're not paying anything. Before we are using TraderView, but unfortunately it has stopped working because of the free version of it. Unfortunately, it has stopped working. Right now, we have gone back to TradingView. So if you want the paid package of TradingView, you will have to pay. But if you want to dodge the payment, you can just stick to the 25 coins that Bashir will share on the group. The 25 coins that Bashir will share on the group, you will see it there. Add it once you delete all the forex, the indices coin. Once you delete, after you've created an account, you've logged in, add all these coins. If you want to add, just tap on add symbol. Add symbol. That's all. The only thing you look at is just these numbers. Which one has -3 and below -4, -%. These numbers. That's the only thing you look at. Once you see it, if you see my around 6 p.m. Nigerian time, 10 p.m. Nigerian time, that's when you start seeing coin dip. I'm not saying every time. I'm just saying most of the time. Now you can see Sushi has showed -3 because of the fact that I would prefer to be starting with the second. It's not as if you trade this, it's not going to deliver, but we prefer the second one. Why? Because most of the time, coins that you see as the one that's most dipped, find out that it is now dipping after it has pumped. And if you enter it, you don't want to stay long in the market. That's why we say stick to the start with the second. Once you see this one, you see them. Once you see it -3 and below, -4, -5, go and trade it and take 1.5% to 3% as your whole position take profit ratio in your Royal Cube. That's all. That's all you do. If it sells, you wait. 6 p.m. Nigerian time, or once in a while, check your app. Maybe when you chat people on WhatsApp or you call, just check once in a while. Once you see that's the only thing you should be doing, and you're okay. And you're okay. Right? That being said, I want to believe now you guys understand it. Right? That's the coin. You can see the coin shared on the chart here. Right, so that's it on the coin. You can see the coin, but should have shared it on the chat. You can copy it and start it on your WhatsApp. That's the coin. Then you go to the second method of trading. What is the second tactics? Like I told you, there are 1,001 ways of picking coin in the crypto spot market, but this is the RQTMI standard for beginners. Now, let's say you have mastered it. You want to go further. You can use the two indicator tactics. Coach Jibril, please, you can drop the video, the short video for chain percent tactics, drop it on the chat and drop it across all the groups. The RQTMI2 indicator tactics, short time frame entry, if you have it handy, share it on all the groups and also on the chat. Right? 2 indicator tactics. This is a tactics that we create that you can trade on the short time frame, right? 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and your take profit will not go beyond 1.5%. That's the max. If you want to use this, that's the max. When you start trading in cryptocurrency, don't focus on big take profits. Focus on this small take profit, 1.5% to 3%. Before you now, when you master it, you can now move metamorphose to 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? That being said, let's go. Now, we want to go to the short time frame entry. You load your indicator. If you don't know how to do that, Bashir will share a video. Bashir, if you have it handy, share a video on how to set up TradingView and add the 25 volatile coins, and as well as the 2 indicator tactics. Set up your indicator, the stochastic RSI, the auto fib retracement. Now this is the 25 volatile coins. I want to stick with the one because not everybody have the money to pay for TradingView, right? So now, if you want to use the 2 indicator tactics, just go at the top, same way you tap on the change percent, tap it, change percent, sort by change percent. It will arrange it according to the ones that are rising in price. The one that raising the price the most based on the 25 coin Now my network is in there and back again. So as I was saying, you want to use the two indicator tactics. Coach Bashir, please help to share the video on the chat. Help share the video on the chat. So I say you should arrange it according to the ones that are falling in price. Tap on sort by change percent. Now, then you bring in the indicators. If you've already loaded it and you set it up, you don't need to. It's already saved. I've already set my indicator up, right? If you don't know how to do that, Coach Jibril will share a video that will guide you on how you can load the indicator and set it up. Coach Jibril, please share the video on the chat and all across all the groups. All right, so that being said, now I want to use the short time frame entry. The short time frame entry is entry on the 1 minute with confirmation on the 15 minutes, entry on the 5 minute with confirmation on the 1 hour, entry on the 15 minute with confirmation on the 4 hour. What am I saying, Coach Salis? What are you saying? What I'm saying here is that if you want to use the stochastic RSI, Coach Jibril, please, Coach Bashir, please share the script again on the chat and across all the groups. The script for using stochastic RSI, there are 3 conditions. You just need one of the 3 conditions. You need the tip of the stochastic RSI if you're on your entry time frame. You need it to have touched the green line, the tip. And you need the RSI to be between 0 and 20, or you need the stochastic RSI to have point up and the RSI between 0 and 25. This is the RSI, relative strength index, the strength or the strength at which people are selling or buying. Now, just like in percent. Now, if it's coming down, you see it coming down, the sellers buyers are getting involved, are in charge. Going up, sellers are in charge. Now, that is one of the 3 is what you need. The script will be shared on across all the group and also on this chat. But please help and share. Now, after being said, if it is the auto Fibonacci indicator, right? When you see 0 at it, after you have set it up and saved, just like it is stated on the video that Bashir will share, right? I don't want to take the time to add the indicators. You guys should know what. Just go set it up. The video is already there. I want to believe everybody should have the auto fib. That is what we use. This is RQTMI trading tactics for beginners. We use auto fib only and stochastic RSI, right? So you have your 100 and you have your 0. When you see it 0 at the top, 100 at the bottom, that is an uptrend. When you see 0 at the bottom, 100 at the top, that is a downtrend. Now, for an uptrend, you just need the candle to be on the 61.8% line or below. Then you measure, you take profit of 1.5%. For a downtrend, you just need to indicate the candle to be on the current candle to be on the 0% line or below, and you pull the trigger. That's how you use auto fib. If you don't know what I'm saying, the script will be shared. You will see it there and also a video. All right. So now I want to enter this trade. Let me look for 5 minutes and see if we can get an entry. All right. So we go 1 minute so that I will show you live and a live trade. All right. You see what I'm saying? This is one trade. You can see if I want to enter this trade on the 15 minute, you can see it's pointing up, just like I told you guys. It's pointing up and it's the RSI between 0 and 25. That's an entry, right? This is a 15 minute entry. To the 4 hour because the confirmation time frame for 15-minute entry is on the 4-hour. Where is the stochastic? As you can see, the stochastic RSI on the confirmation time frame, I just need the tip to be below, and the RSI between 0 and 50. As you can see, it is. So I'll just go to the 15-minute time frame and trade cover. Trade cover if I want to. You can see it's already on the 0% line, although it's going up, right? We want the candle to be on the 0% line or below. It's already. Take your 1.5% and you're out. Learn how to master short take profit before you go. You're out, right? But I will not trade this coin because, right? Somebody will say, why don't you want to trade this coin? Yes, I don't want to trade this coin because unless if you still want, it's not as if it's going to deliver. Of course, it will deliver if you have the patience. Let's even post it so that you see what I'm saying. So cover 0.4911. So you see it, you will see once you use your, just use your, you remember this is 15 minutes. You just need to use your default setting of all tactics depending on what you want. You're good to go. Master short profit before you go and master. So guys, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I've shared? If you understand it, type it yes on the chat. Respond on the chat with a yes. Yes, if it is your first time, don't worry. I was also like you 4 or 5 years ago. If Coach Jibril, please, where is the video? Drop it. This is the script. Please ensure you get this script, and this is to indicate short time frame entry. The Coach Jibril also share the long time frame entry and also the short time frame entry video, so that everybody will have a. Some of them don't have it. Some of you on this call don't have it. So Coach Jibril will share it on the group. I know it's not easy. This is your first time. Yeah, there's always a first time. You just need to watch the video over and over again, then you write down all your questions so that during the Zoom session you can answer. I can see a lot of yes. A lot of yes are here. Those that are following us. Yes, because I want to use 15-minute entry. How somebody says, King Daniel says, King Daniel says, how do you do the confirmation? Is it after looking at the coin or 15-minute time frame? Time frame when then you go again and look up the same coin? And no. What I'm saying here is, if the condition for entry, just like you've seen, the auto Fibonacci will have to say you should go ahead. The stochastic RSI will have to say you should go ahead. Everything have been met based on the script. You go to the confirmation time frame and look for the stochastic. Forget about the auto fib. King Daniel, you just go to the stochastic. What is the stochastic saying? Is it below the orange line? And is the RSI below, is between 0 and 50? If it is, that's when you can go, just like in the case of the coin I just posted now, you can see the RSI is between 0 and is 10. 10 is between 0 and 50. And the RSI tip of the RSI, the blue line is called the RSI line. You can see the tip is already below the orange line. So that is the confirmation. Just in case I did not hit my target on the 15 minutes, I'm still okay on the 4-hour. That's why we're confirming. King Daniel, I want to believe you understand what I'm saying now. So just copy the script. This is the short time frame entry script. Save it and start it on your WhatsApp.
And as well, Jibril, Bashir, please help us to share the video. Share the video. This is your first time. Don't worry, my brother. I was once like you 4 or 5 years ago. But today, because I was consistently attending Zoom, then today I'm not longer the same person. So it's the same thing with you too. You just need to be consistent. But let me tell you, master short take profit, like 1.5 to 3%. Master how to take the profit before you can now grow. That's why you see I started with 1.5 to 3% with the trading with flat analysis. And I went ahead to now show you how you can use the indicator, because sometimes when you come to pick the trade on the coins, 25 volatile coin, you might find out that some of them, all of them are green. They are not showing -3 and below. So in that case, instead of waiting, you can now use the 2 indicator to actually short time frame entry to trade and enjoy your take profit. Mind you, if you don't pay trade for TradingView, you will not be able to add indicators, the 2 indicators. So that being said, any question before we move, continue? Or maybe I'm bombarding you guys too much. Maybe we should just stop here. I don't want this session to be long, because some people will still, if it's long, some people will not watch it. Or let me. It's loading. Let's go again. Use the same short time frame entry and pick another coin. If somebody will say I'm too fast. No, don't worry. Once you pick the recording, you can use VLC player to play it. Use VLC player to, you can see it's already on floating profit. If you have picked the coin with us, you would have seen it's already on floating profit. Now you can use VLC player, right? Use VLC player to reduce the time, so that it to be very slow. The speed for you to follow bit step by step. So let's continue. We can use the same short time frame entry. Remember, our take profit does not go beyond 1.5%. If you pay for trading, you can be doing back testing. Let's see if you can get another entry. This 15 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. Network is still not too good. Take our time. All right, so we're still searching for entry. Don't mind me, the network is not too fast. You have to be patient to load. Okay, this one, Alpine, RSI. Okay, so if I don't see entry here, I can decide to move to the 41 coins recommended by RTTMI. I have 3 watch lists. I have 25, I have 41, I have all the Royal Q coins. So if I don't see entry here, I'll just go to my 41 coins. Let me go to the 41 coins. I arrange it according to the one that are fallen in price the most. Like I said, how do you do that? At the top, you see 3 dots at the top. Once you tap it, you tap sort by change percent. You can see it has arranged it according to the ones that have risen in price. The thing is, the idea is you're not buying when the price is high, you buy when it's low. So you go back and adjust. You can see. Then you start with the second. Forget about the first. So forget about this one. Start with the second. So if I go start with NFP, I tap on NFP. Because I can't do trading with analysis with these coins. I'll go and open the chart. Look for the entry. My entry time frame is 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. That's my entry time frame. So I'll look for the condition. If it's okay on the entry time frame, I will now go and check on the confirmation time frame. If I'm using 1 minute entry, I'll confirm on the 15 minutes. If I'm using 5 minute entry, I'll confirm on the 1 hour. If I'm using 15 minutes, I'll confirm on the 4 hours. So you see, I'm not back testing. I'm doing a live trade here. So Let's see if 5 minutes can give us entry. 15 minutes is the stochastic is not well positioned where I want it on the entry time frame. So let's see 5 minutes. Still loading. The network is not too fast. Let's see if you can get entry on the 5 minutes. You can see this one has gone far. If you have picked it from here, imagine you picked it from here, you have been out with your 1.5%. You see, this is what we're saying. You have been getting close to your 1.5% take profit. So let's see. Patience is the key. Let's see if we can get what we want. Sometimes we don't get on these coins. To search for the coin and ensure the condition are met accurately before you pull the trigger. Get used to 1.5%, 3%, or use the two indicator tactics, long-term time frame entry. If you master time frame entry, is the same thing with the longer time frame entry. The only difference is the take profit. You see a good trade profit if you're using longer time frame entry. So it's still loading. Let's give you some time. Or I can just go to all the rare Q coins just so we should be able to get signal faster. Let me pick another one before I come to the chat to respond to your question. If you have any challenge, any question, type it on the chat. I will just go and tap on sort by change percent. It has arranged it according to the ones that have risen in price. The one that have risen in price the most, you can see is AGLD, right? So I'll go back again and adjust it. You can see it has arranged it according to the ones that have fallen in price. The one that fallen in price the most is IQ. I will ignore the first one. I go the same process, PHA. Let's see. I open it. It's taking time. Give you some time. Let's see if you can get PHA. If you can get signal there. See 15 minutes. No. 5 minutes. You see 15 minutes. If you have picked it long account, it have been in floating profit. Sometimes you have to wait. It has started going up. The network is not too strong. It's wasting our time. Let me see if you can just stick to the 15 minutes and see if you can take entry. You need patience to wait. Patience is very important here. You need patience to wait. Let's see if you can get a signal. If I want to pick a live trade, but I think that will waste our time. Let me just backtest so that you guys will see what I'm saying. Now this, for example, this is PH Pond. If I want to backtest, let me bar replay. Now I want to backtest. Let me use this. And let's say you met the coin, it's still loading. Let's say you met the coin here, right? Take some time, it's loading. Now you can see, let's say you met the coin here As you can see, this 15 minute, you can see what I'm saying here is that short time frame entry. I want to enter on the 15 minute. Remember, I said the entry time frame for short time frame is 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. The confirmation time frame for 1 minute is 15 minutes. Confirmation time frame for 5 minutes is 1 hour. Confirmation time frame for 15 minutes is 4 hours. It's 4 hours. Right. So now this is 15 minutes. Let's say I met this trade here like this. As you can see, the RSI, I can just stick to one. I can just focus on this RSI. 3 conditions of using the stochastic. One of it is you want the RSI number to this RSI strength, relative strength index. You want it to be between 0 and 20. 16 is a number that is between 0 and 20. You can just stick to that one and forget about the remaining 2 conditions. If that's what you want. Or the second condition is you want the tip to be have touched the green line. Or the third condition is this tip should be pointing up and the RSI to be between 0 and 25. So I'll just stick to one. So you can see 16 is between 0 and 20. I'm okay. And I need, this is the downtrend. Why? Once you see, you are not trading candles here. Forget about candles. It is the indicator that you are using to pull the trigger. So you see 0 is at the bottom, 100 at the top. It's a downtrend. And once it's a downtrend, you want the current candle to be on the 0% line. You can see the current candle. This is the current candle. Is on the 0% line. So you can see all the conditions for entry had been met. You now, because your entry is on the 15 minutes, you now go to the 4 hour. Where is the stochastic line on the 4 hour? If I go to the 4 hour now, it's loading. Sorry, my network is not too fast. But however, we should manage it. As you can see, this is the 4 hour time frame. You wait for the stochastic line. You need to show where is the stochastic. You want the stochastic line to be exactly on the 0%. You can see it's not. It's not. So you're not going to pull the trigger. You wait for the stochastic line to be on the 0% line, on this orange below or on below this orange line, and the RSI is between 0 and 50. If it's not, you are not pulling the trigger. Let me adjust it with my just need patience. Still loading. My network is not too good. Now, let me see for the 15 minutes if everything is okay. Still loading. Don't worry, guys. Network is not too friendly today. However, we should see us through on this. The network should be able to help us. You just need patience. I'm just trying to show you guys this is not really live trade, because back testing, I just want to back test so that you see what I'm saying. I just patience, but should please help to share the short time frame entry video and as well as the trading without analysis video on the chat and also across all the groups, and also the script for the short time frame entry. Please share it on all the groups. My network is not too good. Let me just go back to your chat, depending when it will load. Any question? Yeah, don't worry. There's always a first time. You can see the YouTube link has been shared. Go and watch it. As I'm ending this call now, go and watch it. When the session has ended, watch it and write all your questions down so that next time we meet, next week, same time, Saturday, I will attend to all your questions. There's always a first time. Don't worry about it. You just need to be consistent. This is okay. Don't worry, King Nelson. Just be consistent. The script has been shared. Go and save it and start it. Yeah, don't worry, King Abdullah Husseini. The YouTube link for the video on this thing I'm talking about is already shared. But King Jibril have shared it. Yes, 373 coins. Yeah, just the so far all the coins on React, I think it's around 370 or 380. Just go and save it on your trading. But you have to pay if you want to add all the whole coins. You have to pay. But if you don't have money to pay, you can just stick to the 25 volatile coins and use the same use to analyze. But the thing is that you have to pay because you will not be able to use the 2 indicator if you don't pay. No, you at least you can use. Sorry, you can use the 2 indicator, but you can't make it 3. It's only 2 you can use if you have not paid. For the free version of TradingView, you can only use 2 indicator. You can't use 3. Yes, the recording will be shared on all the groups. Recording will be shared on all the groups. All right, King Ekeson, don't worry. Focus on the YouTube link that is shared by Jibril. Go and watch it. Jibril shared a Zoom. Coach Jibril shared a YouTube link. That YouTube link should help you to understand what I'm doing here. What I'm doing here is what's on that YouTube link. If you watch it over and over again, watch this Zoom and you don't understand, write the questions down so that the next time we meet. Now let's go back to our TradingView. What's going on? I think we're having issues here. Still loading. It's still loading. Let's see if it can come up. If it can come up. Still loading. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I think it's back. Yeah, I think it has. Okay, this is Pond. Let me see if I even can get a real live trade. The loading is just too slow. I think this one should work. You can see Omni USDT. You can see it on the 15 minutes, right? On the 15 minute, let me close it. Close this. Okay. 15 minutes is not. Banana USDT. I don't know why the network is not so good. However, I want to believe you guys understand. If you understand what I've just shared, please type a yes on the chat. Okay. Share the link. If you have not joined our YouTube channel, you can join the YouTube channel to keep receiving updates. King Jibril or King Bashir or Aminu Yunus, help me share the YouTube channel link, and as well as the 2 videos. One is the into trading without analysis. 2 is the video on short time frame entry, and as well as the script. Share it again on the chat and also across all the groups. Please help so that people that don't have it should have it. If you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, go and subscribe so that any updates, latest video, you would get it there. The link, the YouTube link, Bashir, Jibril, or Yunus, please share it on the chat, please. Please help to share it on the chat. YouTube link. Coach Mo, if you're there, I don't think Coach Mo is on this call. Coach Mo, if you're there, please help to share the YouTube link on the chat so that those that don't have it could subscribe in order to keep getting latest updated videos shared on the group, on the channel. Please, if you're on this call and the video will be shared on the group, you need to master this short take profit between 1.5 to 3% before you can now metamorphose to 5%, 10%, 15%, and so on and so forth. Get used to these take profits. Maybe next week, Saturday, we'll treat growth strategy and as well as longer time frame entry that will enable you to enjoy more take profit. But for today, we'll just stick to trading without analysis and a short time frame entry. Please, Bashir, Jibril, or Yunus, please help me to share the short time frame entry video link on the chat, and as well as our TradingView is not allowing me to pick a live trade again. I've just dropped that of cover. Watch out and see what's going to be of that trade as we move on the channel, on the WhatsApp channel, RQTMI channel, Signal channel. If you have not joined, request for it on the group. You got this link from so that you join and keep seeing Signal there. Okay, so you guys understand? If you understand what I've just shared, please type a yes on the chat. Please type a yes on the chat. If you understood what I've just talked about as regards the chat. I'm back. Coach Mo, please help to share the YouTube link on the chat. Share the YouTube link on the chat. All right, so if you understood what I've just shared, type a yes on the chat. I want to see your response on the chat. All right, I'm going to share, just in case maybe if I go to the group, I do not see the video that requested Bashir or Jibril or Yunus to share. I'm going to share it across all the groups again. All right, so you need to go watch the video so that you write down your question on anything you don't understand. All right, on anything you don't understand, so that next time we meet, we can address the challenge you are having. Remember, the maximum take profit for today's class is 3%, 1.5 to 3%. You need to master that before you now metamorphose to 5%, 10%, and so on and so forth. Right? You need to master this very well because this is for beginners. So, in the absence of no question again, we'll call it a day today. Right? That's the first thing. Go and watch it over and over again and write down all your questions. Right? If you write down your question, next time we meet Saturday, same time. If you are having challenges, okay, VPN. I think Coach Mo shared the VPN on the group. Go to the group you got this link from and request for VPN. You will get it. That's the VPN we use. If the network is not too good in opening your RoyalQ, use the VPN so that your internet will be fast. Go to the group you got this link from and request for the VPN. You will get it. Maybe probably you skipped the VPN that Coach Mo shared yesterday. So that being said, permit me to end this session. Remember, today you are going home with two things. You are going home with two things: short time frame entry and as well as RQTMI short time frame entry, 2 indicator tactics, short time frame entry, and as well as 3 RQTMI change percent tactics. If I go to the group and I see that Jibril did not share, or Bashir or Yunus, I'm going to share it again across all the groups where you got this link from. You should get the video. Take your time at your leisure time when you come back from work. Instead of watching a movie that will not put money in your pocket, take your time to watch the video. Then write the question. Anything you don't understand, watch it. At first, it will sound German or sound different because that's your first time. Don't worry. Watch it over and over again and see whether you have a question you can write down to ask. Right? So that when we meet, we'll address the question. We'll address it next time Saturday. We do this every Saturday, 9 p.m. You come on with your question on Saturday, then I will address it. You need to master the these tactics because for a beginner, master it very well, 1.5 to 3%. Once you master it, you can now move on to 5%, 10% of using the longer time frame entry, RQTMI 2 indicator tactics, longer time frame entry, and as well as the pro strategy. All right. In the absence of no question, don't worry. If this is your first time, don't worry. I was once like you 5 years ago, right? You will get to know this. You just need to be consistent. That is just all you need to do. Be consistent every time you see a Zoom link, Monday to Sunday. Anytime you see a Zoom on the group, ensure we have our timetable. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all our Zoom session. I think Tuesday, this guy used to do Zoom. All our Zoom session, you see it there. Just make sure you're consistent. That is how you learn. You cannot attend Zoom today. You'll not see you again to the next 2 months. Some people will not even open the group where your business group, you're not open to read what is going on there. You say you don't have the time. My brother, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up if you are sleeping. You have reached a digital stage where you don't need to stress yourself to make money. You just need a cell phone and an internet and the ability, the desire to succeed. Even if you have a cell phone and internet and the desire is not there, look at your bank account as you're ending this call now. Go and check your bank account balance. Are you happy with it? Are you happy with your bank account? If no, then you need to do something, because if you don't do anything, your 2025 will be the same thing with 2024. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye, everyone.